Grand Rising, my people. Oh, what a sad, what a sad man. I don't even know why I don't even know why I opened my Facebook this morning. I don't even know why I opened my Facebook this morning and the news I saw this. Sorry, let me mute this. I salute you, all my people. I welcome you to this morning broadcast. And I made a post. I believe I even said it like twice in my live video. When the Hamatan was just coming out, I made mention on fire outbreak. I was sitting down on this chair one afternoon. My mind was just wandering, and what came through my mind was the Hamatan and fire outbreak. And this year we don't have Hamatan, or let's say it didn't arrive as at when due, because even people in Europe can attest to the fact that it didn't snow too much, even though the earth has been cooling, for those that will be trying to sell you global warming. And some will say climate change. I don't know what time that the climate had not been changing. I don't know when the climate had remained the same. So we don't have enough Hamatan. A friend of mine in Norway, in Oslo, told me that they don't even have snow. They couldn't even go skiing. So it's understandable why we don't have enough Hamatan. Because if it doesn't snow in the North Pole, as it should, it will not push Hamatan to the south. That's just how the earth works. But I made that post, I think it's between October and November. I said, as usual, there will be fire outbreak. And I was thinking, if there is such an emergency that will lead to the loss of lives and properties of all the places in Lagos, I was thinking it would be Alaba International. Please, I have nothing against Alaba International people, even though you people deserve any horrible things that happen to some of you. You people know how you behave over there. So, and I can't see the comments. The comments are not showing. I think it's even better. It doesn't kind of distract me from what I'm going to say. Then this morning, I saw a post from one guy. He just popped up on the recommended list. The algorithm recommended it. I have not been following the guy. I don't know his page. Then I heard the cry of one girl. I heard, oh, heartbreaking. At first, I thought it was just the guy that was dancing that was involved. Then I clicked on the page to see when the video was posted, only to see that the guy posted so many videos concerning it. And I saw that it was three brothers from the same mother. And in one of the accompanying voice notes, the sister said that both of their parents are no more. Let me show you people the video I'm talking about. So I'm trying to... Please, if I'm not sounding like myself, that's because I'm not myself this morning. Okay, see the page here. Oh. Let me go to the page. Okay. Here is the first guy I saw his video.
Hello, good evening, sirs. Umunnem biko zienu eji chukwu wee yonu biko zienu nwannu nu nwanyi onye uzakwu maru ugwu biko nu nna yonu gbatane ni mo se enyemaka ego atana nu m igu n'isi o biko gbatane.
Here is cry. Who is he leaving his wife for? Let me show you people another one. See the three brothers here.
The very beauty all the extension be here all the side extension now be here but that beauty never chop hano kapuoto because you never believe no munem kadendo bagara ni mo batani ni mo senyamaka umunem na mayoni unu because yenene umunno no tani mego Jesus umunnem bagara ni mo because ni abu mo nyuza abu mo nyumarugu afa habu Mr. Classic umunne na to afa hije na plaza Mr. Classic shop had in a second floor afa Mr. Classic hana rapa chumoke chumuwanye because you no batanu mo senyamaka onye mo ne kworo Mr. Classic business Mr. Classic umweje mana to ha mara ndobo to because yenene to bagara na afa habu Steven afa Kasmia afa habu Kennedy Richukwu Collins because nini umunne gbagara nini mo bata nini mo se enyemaka do because nini oru tutu esi akpọ umunne m ndị ọzọ eje Lagos Island bata nini mo se enyemaka bịaba n'otu Lagos Island bịa nịnye nwanne ụlọ aka ka nwanne mama zụta ụmụnne m na-atọ ndụ doni nini nne m anwụọna nna m anwụọna ọ gbasa ọsọ unu bụ ndị nwere mmakwa enyi ụmụnne m na-atọ bata nini mo se enyemaka ụzọ agba bata nini mo se ihe ala bata nini mo nsọ ihe ala bata nini nwanne ụlọ nsọ nwanne ụlọ awụkwana ọ bụ ụmụnne m na-atọ ụmụnne ndị nne ji doni nini afọ m bụ adọrọ afọdịkapị igwe ameze nwa nwata igwe ameze n'ụzọ agwa ụmụ arụ ugwu bata nini mo se enyemaka bikozieni ayọ ka nna ya unu unu mee nka Chukwu nna ya egozie unu doni anyị ogbe ike anyị abata n'ezinụlọ anyị doni nini ụmụnne m na-atọ onye tọrọ anyị.
Three brothers. You can see where the picture showed very well. We confirmed two of them. And the funniest part is that nothing happened to the shop. They want to go and rescue their goods. Nothing happened to their main shop. Now you went to rescue goods that you can always buy again. Goods that you can, man. Oh. You know, when I saw this thing this morning, it sent chills down my body my blood went cold. I couldn't, you know, bear it. Everything I planned to do this morning, it just scattered. I've been so quiet since I saw this video. Three brothers. I hope this lady and any member of their family doesn't see any of these videos online. How do you even cope? Three brothers. Three brothers. Like none of them said, even the eldest one couldn't say, oh, the young one, you stay outside here. Even though I and this second one will be going to bring those, okay, you stay here and look at this. Like three of you went into the same building, burning building. You know, people like the way people assess risk assessment, some people, they have it zero. Look at the heartbreak they are giving to their sister. Have you lost a sibling before? Just one sibling. Do you know how painful it is to lose just one sibling? Do you know how this lady will be feeling? Like 2025 will be her worst year ever. Losing three brothers. Not as if anything, explosion happened. No, they walked into their death. They walked into their demise. How much are those goods that you people cannot walk again and recover? If you love your goods so much, why don't you insure them? If they had insured those goods, there would be no need to go test themselves. How would you be doing business? A business worth millions of naira, no insurance. No, okay, even if you don't want to be giving an insurance company, your money is too big for you to pay the premium. Well, how about you have a special bank account? Check what the premium will be putting that money there. Let it be pure risk savings. Don't touch it. Don't use it to order goods. No, if they like, let somebody come and be crying that if they don't see so amount of money that they will buy. If you don't have any spare money to give them, don't touch this money. You say, this is my insurance money. As a businessman operating in Nigeria, You will see, look at Lagos Island. Who will be in Lagos Island by this time? There's another video I saw. People were making videos of the neighborhood. Everywhere empty. Because people have gone home. Emergency services, imagine, you've not even accessed emergency services at the normal time. How much more now that people have gone to their states, to their communities, want to go and salvage goods? We can't blame the departed, but we must teach the living. We can only admonish the living. The departed have gone. They've gone. Just like that, a family has lost 3 men at the same time, and probably older than all of them. Same, you hear their sister, no father, no mother. My people, it's not every day that I'm lost for words, but this particular one, believe me, I have no idea. I don't know how to go about it. I just don't know what came over these people to take such a boneheaded decision to go in and salvage what? And some people, you know, these movies, there are all these things they are watching in movies, rescuing something. Do you think that's how it happens in real life? You don't know the integrity of the structure. You don't know anything about the pillars, the walls. This is fire. Fire weakens cement. You know, I really am short of words. Those of you from Ijele, if you know their families, please condole with them. Our condolences to the entire family, their sister. God. That's so sad. My people, thank you for your time. I will have to end the stream now and go over TikTok. Please. Stay safe, everyone.